Canva isn't just for pretty presentations anymore. Its insane AI features can now help you launch full-blown income streams with zero design skills. In this video, I'm taking you through 6 strong ways to make money from Canva as a complete beginner. Method 1. Create dot-to-dot books with AI. Dot-to-dot books for kids are low-content books that parents buy to keep their kids busy, and they don't require any writing or complex layouts. Parents are always looking for activities for their kids, and kids love these books, so the demand is strong and the niche is evergreen. To make these books, open Canva and select a new design using US letter size. This gives you a standard, printable page. Go to Apps on the left panel. Scroll until you see Magic Media and select the Graphics tab inside that. Now in the prompt bar, type something like outline of a cute cat and make sure you set the style to monoline. Once the cat appears, resize and center it. Now click Elements, choose Shapes, and drag in a solid circle. Shrink the circle until it's small enough to sit along the line. You're now going to manually place these circles along the line art. After placing all the dots, use the Text tool to number them. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Then select the original line drawing underneath and use Canva's Magic Eraser to remove it. Now you're left with just the numbered dots on a blank page, which is exactly what a dot-to-dot puzzle looks like. Repeat this process with different animals or objects like bunnies, whales, dinosaurs, anything that's simple and kid-friendly. Aim for 15 or more pages to make it a complete book. When you're done, export the file as a high-res PDF. Now go to Amazon KDP and upload your file. Set the trim size to 8.5 by 11 inches, mark it as a low-content book, and fill out the metadata. Choose keywords like activity book for kids and dot-to-dot animals so it shows up in the right searches. KDP handles printing and shipping for you. You earn a royalty for every copy sold. If this takes too long, you can outsource parts of it. Hire a virtual assistant, send them the instructions, and let them crank out multiple versions under your guidance. Method 2. Make Would You Rather books for kids. Would You Rather books are incredibly popular because they're fun, easy to read, and parents love buying them to entertain kids on road trips, flights, or rainy days. First, open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 50 fun Would You Rather questions for kids." In seconds, you'll get questions like, would you rather have a pet dragon or a pet unicorn? The kind of stuff that's silly, lighthearted, and age-appropriate. Next, go back to Canva and start a new 6 by 9 inch design. Search Quiz Book for Kids to find a playful, colorful template you can customize. Start inserting 1 or 2 questions per page, depending on how much white space and design you want. Make sure the text is large and easy to read. For each question, use Canva AI to generate a matching image. For example, if your question is, would you rather sneeze glitter or burp bubbles, you can prompt, "Girl sneezing glitter," and get a fun, cartoon-style image that grabs attention. Add the image next to the question. Make sure the layout feels balanced, and keep the design consistent across pages. Once you've filled out 30 to 50 pages, export the book as a PDF and upload it to KDP. Method 3. Sell funny slogan t-shirts. In Canva, create a new project using their typography t-shirt design option. This gives you a blank canvas specifically sized for t-shirt prints. Use Canva's Magic Write tool to brainstorm ideas. Prompt it with something like funny slogans for parenting shirts and watch it generate lines like these. Pick one that's catchy and relatable. Style the text using bold fonts, mix up sizes, and experiment with layout until it pops. You want it to stand out from a distance, since that's what grabs buyers on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Now add a fun illustration using the AI image tool. Prompt it with something like, "Mom juggling 3 kids in cartoon style," Adjust the image placement and colors so it complements the slogan without overpowering it. Once you're happy with the design, download it as a PNG file with a transparent background. Then head to Printify, Redbubble, or Etsy and upload your design. Pick your shirt color, set pricing, and publish. Method 4. Design surreal AI art t-shirts. Start by asking ChatGPT, "Give me surreal image ideas for t-shirts." You might get ideas like goldfish swimming inside a light bulb or mountains melting into coffee cups. Choose one and open Canva again. Use the AI image generator and pick a style, either psychedelic for bold colors or photorealistic for dreamlike realism. Paste in your prompt and let it render. Select the best version, resize it to fit a shirt design, and save it as a transparent PNG. Upload that to your print-on-demand platform, like Printify. Method 5. Sell printables like vacation guides. Go into Canva and open Magic Write. Prompt it with, "Create a 5-page Disney World vacation guide." It will generate a rough outline including things like top rides, food spots, tips for families, and best times to visit. Start a new 6x9 document and search Canva's templates for Vacation Guide. Choose one that looks clean and professional. Now paste the generated content into the appropriate sections. Break up text with headlines, subheadings, and short blurbs. Use the AI image tool to find relevant images like Cinderella's castle. Keep formatting tight. Think of this as a mini ebook. Once the guide looks polished, export it as a downloadable PDF. List it on Etsy or Gumroad as a digital product. These platforms handle delivery. You just upload the file and write a strong product description. Method 6. Grow an Instagram AI art page. Open Canva and choose Instagram Post. Select the 1:1 layout. Now use Canva AI to generate stunning, hyper-realistic images. Prompt with "Painter in her studio" or "Cyberpunk city at sunset." Post these regularly to a themed Instagram page. Choose a niche: fantasy, architecture, dreamscapes, or even motivational visuals. Keep the captions short and let the images speak. Over time, the page grows through shares and algorithm reach. Monetize by adding affiliate links, sponsored posts, or selling your own digital art or presets. You can even direct followers to your Etsy store if you're selling printables or shirts. Whether you're publishing low-content books, launching a merch store, or building a service business, Canva AI gives you fast, repeatable systems to get started. All the tools and links mentioned are in the description. Pick one idea today and run with it. You don't need to do everything. Just get one thing live. Which of these methods are you trying out first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.